What's up, guys? Welcome back to Homestead Ahead. Today I'm out in the garden. I mentioned it in my previous video about how hot it is in this cattle panel greenhouse. So today I'm going to work on putting some windows in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put, and I thought about it, I really didn't know what I was going to do until I was editing the video. But it just came to me that I could just put like a wooden frame down here, whatever size I want to, wooden frame, and then just add, and then cut the plastic so that I can roll it up and roll it down. I got some, it's called 3M, it's called, shoot, what is it called? Let me get it, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. It's called Dual Lock. This is 3M Dual Lock. It's not the Velcro. I really wanted to get the Velcro because it's cheaper. I got two of these. Both of these are 8 feet. So I got these for almost $40 on Amazon. The Velcro, which is hook and loop. We know what Velcro is. There's the hard plastic side, and then there's like the fuzzy side. Only reason why I didn't get the Velcro because I didn't think it would do well with the water, the rain and, the elements. And I didn't want to use Velcro and then have to take it off because there's a sticky side here. And so if I have to replace that Velcro, it's going to tear the plastic, and that's a whole nother issue. And so this Dual Lock is, I hope you can see it, it's all plastic, and you just let me see how that to me will work better in the elements. And so that's what I'm going to use to put on the plastic to roll the window up and down. So I'm gonna get to work. This was $40 and it's only 8 feet, but 8 feet total because both rows are 8 feet, but you need to double it, right? For each section you have to double it. So I got 8 feet and I'm gonna see how it goes, and then I'll order more. I don't know why I only got 8 feet. I didn't want to pay $40. And so basically what I'm going to do is my windows are going to be 4 feet. Yeah, so I'm going to put, my windows are going to be 2 feet long and then like 12 inches on the side. So that'll be 4 feet for each window. So 1 row per window. So that's why I would prefer bigger windows, but that's what we're going to do. And the hope is that I can get a window in each section. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. But I'm going to start with just 2 because that's all the Dual Lock I have. And we'll go from there. I probably should have checked YouTube. Even though I watched a million of these cattle panel build videos, I never saw anybody add windows except to the back. So I'm just assuming there's nothing on YouTube about windows and how they did it. I'm just wondering if somebody can figure out a cheaper way to do that. But I want to be able to open and close them. I'm just thinking about the greenhouse I had from Amazon, the little metal one that I had, and it had windows on the side, and you need it. It's hot in there. I feel sorry for anything that's got to live in there. My trees were already a wreck, and it's hot. I think I went in there this morning, it was 108. So I need to up-pot my tomato plants, and I don't have room in the shed. So this stuff has to start coming out. And I do recall last summer that I had to come out here, make sure I come out here and open up those side windows, or it was just too hot in there. Excuse me, I have a cold. So I'm going to do this as fast as I can and get it over with, because tomorrow I want to pop my tomatoes. So let's get started. I think I'm going to go inside And I'm gonna start here in the middle. I'm gonna go inside and I already cut the wood. I'm gonna go inside and attach the wood to the frame, and then I'm gonna come out here, and I'm wondering, should I put the frame together first? Because I didn't. I wonder, should I put the frame together first? Put the frame together, add the screen, and then attach it to the inside. I think that's probably what I do first. So I hate that I don't have, I took them and let me find a table or something so I can put the frame together. Okay, so I don't think that I'm gonna need, I just did like a frame. I don't think I need a bottom. We'll see. Because I know that these are kind of leaning anyway because of the ground. So I don't think I need a bottom. I just need to be able to have some wood that's flush with this frame so that I can put some, what's it called? So that when I cut the plastic and I put the door lock on it, that it'll close up and be good. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to put this on. Pray that I don't need to add another piece of wood at the bottom and move on. I'm going to attach this to the top because the top piece of wood is a little straighter than the bottom one. It's kind of like leaning a little bit. Okay, unfortunately I was not recording. I thought I was recording. So if you can see what I did, I have the two-sided dual lock here and around here. You see? And I put a small piece over here so that when I open it up, I just need to snap it. And it closes really well. I probably should add another piece of wood in between here, but the problem is that the this is leaning out. This is pushing out. So if I put another piece here, it's just not. It's not going to be straight. See how that's sticking out? But anyway, but otherwise, I'm done. Back up and look at it. I think that's good. And then just imagine having 4 of those on each side. And there, this is so far from the house. I don't know if you can see behind me. Let me see. So far from the house, there's no electricity out there. See way back there? That's the closest, the garage. So I don't know how to keep this cool, but to put in windows. So I'll check you guys out in the next video. See you later. Bye.